In front of me is Nubia Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. To block any notifications from chosen app using only devices settings, start by opening settings and tapping on notifications and status bar. Now hit app notifications at the top, and before doing anything, hit all apps over here. This way you'll be able to sort them to see apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, or apps with notifications already disabled. Wherever you decided when you're ready, use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them, or grey ones to turn them on. Quick tip, most people forget that you can also tap on any app on the left and manage all notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!